Hello guys, welcome to the channel. Today I have Lawnmower Lawn Boy 6.5 horsepower 149cc. Okay, this particular engine I start up and dies less than 1 minute. Okay, I will show you that start up is gonna be die soon. Okay, I'm going to take it out the spark plug and spray on that C-foam for start and fluid. Okay, removing the spark plug. Okay, I'm going to spray on that C-foam inside spark plug and put it back. Put it back the spark plug complete on it. Okay, now I'm going to start up. Okay, now see you guys that start up and dies less than minute 30 second. Less than 30 seconds is die. That's mean exactly bad carburetor. You have to clean up or you have to replace new carburetor. Alright guys, before that replace the carburetor, take it off that carburetor. I have that ignition coil and spark plug tester. I'll show you how to do that. The first I'm going to take it off the engine cover and I have to test ignition coil and spark plug. We're going to remove 3 bolts right here. Alright guys, after remove the engine cover look like that, I want to remove that ignition coil boot and spark plug boot. Then I'm going to test same time with the tool. Okay, I'll show you tool. Okay, this is a tool I purchased online. The 1516 spark tester. Okay, this is a 2-in-1 tester. You can test same time ignition coil and spark plug. Okay, I'll show you how to do that. Then I put the link down below if you like. Check that tester. If you need, you can get from the link. Okay guys. Then I'm going to remove that. Okay guys, I removed the package tools like that. Has going to this side going to spark plug, the red boot, and this side going to be ignition coil inside. Okay, now I'm going to closely. There we go. The red boot side going to spark plug. Alright. Then this side going to ignition coil inside. Alright guys, all set up. Then I'm going to start up the engine. Then we have to look at that bulb. This is a glass bulb right here. They're going to be light up. That's mean if light up this bulb, that mean your ignition coil is good and spark plug also good. So anything happen, it doesn't light up, that's mean your bad ignition or bad spark plug. Get back the engine cover. I need the recoil to start up. So that light up, this a red light on this bulb. That means your ignition coil and spark plug is good. Okay, you don't have any issue with that ignition coil and spark plug. Okay, that's mean exactly the carburetor. Then you have to clean up or you have to replace your carburetor. Okay, once again this awesome tool, spark plug and ignition coil tester, 2-in-1 tester. You can hook up both same time and check your ignition coil and spark plug. Okay, we figured out 2 things. We start up engine and it start up and dies less than 30 seconds. The second one, we inspect that ignition coil and spark plug. Both are good. You saw that light up red bulb. Okay, now going to time to change carburetor. Okay, first going to be remove those bolt nut bolt and take it out that lever. Okay, now carefully I'm going to remove that tiny lever part. Okay, I forgot to drain that gas. I'm going to drain first gas. Okay, going to take it out that hook right here. Use that tool. Okay, you can see that tiny cable remove, then bigger lever is remove, then you can take it out the carburetor. Okay, now I'm going to inspect inside the carburetor how it looks, so good or bad. You can see that damaged gasket. Okay, that's a bad gasket. Okay, got the new gasket and everything perfect line. Alright guys, I inspect one thing. This is a new carburetor. This is an old one, but I didn't get this part for new carburetor. Then I'm going to remove this old part, set up that to new carburetor. Okay, remove that old part. Okay, only the bad thing is a carburetor, the rust inside, but this part is fine. See the hook going to inside. Okay, like that. Okay, all parts are set up already. Right here you can see. Then this line going to right here. Clamp up. Okay. Okay, now going to set up the gas line. A new carburetor came with that new gasket, 3 gasket. All new gasket to this side. All set. Closer. Okay, gasket done. I'm going to hook up that lever part. Okay, now I'm going to hook up that hook right here. Might be you cannot see that hole right there. Okay, I already set up that tiny cable and other lever, and this is done. Then 2 nuts. Alright guys, now I'm going to start the lawnmower. We installed already a new carburetor. Let's see how it works. Alright guys, everything works fine. That installed new carburetor, so happy with that. Okay, that's the video today. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.